Hey guys, this is one of my favorite Zig Zag patterns I created a tutorial for back in 2019. I thought it would be fun to reintroduce it to you again and recreate the tutorial using two different colors. If you're interested in the original tutorial, I'll link it in the description below. Let's get started. Cut 3 pieces of 4mm rope in the color Vintage Mauve and 2 pieces in the color Olive Green, each piece is 7 feet in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots in the order that you see here. Using the left strand as your filler cord, tie 9 double half hitch knots moving to the right. Using the same filler cord, which is now on the right, tie 4 double half hitch knots moving to the left. Using a new filler cord on the right, tie 4 double half hitch knots moving to the left. Repeat 4 more times, 6 rows total. Using the left strand as your filler cord, tie 9 double half hitch knots moving to the right. Tie 4 along the section that you have been working on and then pick up the strands in the back. Tie your 5th double half hitch knot to the left strand in the back, and then pick up the rest of the strands moving to the right. To continue this pattern, use the same filler cord and tie 9 double half hitch knots moving to the left. Then tie your rows of 4 double half hitch knots moving to the right to create another diagonal line of double half hitch knots moving in the other direction. Tie 1 more row of 9 double half hitch knots. If you're wanting to create the design without the stripe here, then you'll want to use an additional piece of olive green rope as your filler cord throughout. Thanks so much for watching.